All right, let me just make sure that my eyebrows are good,
Okay.
and make sure that you get my good side, all right?
Oh, all your sides are good sides.
Really? Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Hi, we're here today with Efrain and Lourdes, and they just bought a house.
Yeah.
A manufactured home in Carteret Mobile Park. We're thrilled to have them. And we want to hear a little bit about how you first heard about Carteret Mobile Park and this whole process for you and your hopes and dreams. And
So I think it started with you watching a couple of videos online, and then you told me to watch it.
Because we've lived here for a long time, and we actually drove past here many times.
Yeah.
And we used to own a home here in Carteret, way back. And so we came back from Florida. We were looking for a place to live of our own.
Yep.
But the rent, of course, in Jersey City is outrageous. So
Very crazy.
So I started, I went online and I saw a couple of videos and I said, oh, remember that mobile park that was over in Carteret? We should check it out. So we went on there, I started watching the videos, and I was like, oh my God, look at the inside of these. They're like, it looks like a real house inside,
Very luxurious.
So I showed him a couple of videos and I said, look, and the price is awesome, and it looks like financing and everything, the whole process looks like it's really simple, it's not the headache of buying a home, clothing and all that other stuff. So I showed him a couple of videos and he was like, yeah, whatever. And then after a while I was like, look, we gotta get a house because it's time for us to get our own place. So
Yeah, so then I started looking at the videos, and I saw a couple of videos that you made during like the holiday season.
oh, Christmas.
yes.
Christmas season, and you decorated the inside really
Oh
nice.
my God, yeah.
And I was checking out the interior, the appliances, and everything, the way it was set up, and it looked exactly what we wanted. But we've never thought about going this route. Normally, you would think about a regular home, a brick and mortar with a basement and a backyard and an attic and all that other stuff. But
Gotta downsize though, because the more house you have, the more you put in and the more you
stuff.
spend.
Yeah.
And you end up, not in a good position. So with this, there's no way that could happen. And
Yeah.
it's very cost effective, and it's close to work. We work in Jersey City, so it's really close. And we were already from here, so it's like coming back home for me twice.
Definitely. and you know what to say, happy wife, happy life. And the whole process was great from start to finish. A couple of emails here and there. Then we came to visit to see the actual unit, and now we're here. It took about maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months tops, and everyone was professional. Was really nice people, and they were on top of their game. So that's why we're here, and hopefully soon we will be moving in.
And exactly what they tell you is exactly what
Absolutely.
happens. There's no surprises.
They tell you what it is,
You
what
get
it looks
what
like,
you're paying for,
you get
and
what you pay
it
for,
shows.
And it shows. So.
And pretty soon, somebody's going to be eating a lot because I like to cook.
Oh, nice.
That means you.
Can't wait.
Oh, no. Oh my gosh, it's been a thrill working with you guys. I'm so happy it turned out because we do one person at a time, one house at a time, and you guys were very patient.
Absolutely.
And I really appreciate it. You were really personable and made it easy because you're just so easy. I think a lot of people come to us very stressed out about their home and their living situation, and then they put it on us. And sometimes we can't make them happy. And I was just really grateful that it worked out because you're just wonderful people, and we're happy to have you join us.
And we're happy to be here, happy to be neighbors, and happy to be a part of the whole experience. So
Thank you.
Thank you, and
Thank
Mr. Dolan,
you.
and your whole staff.
You're wonderful. All right. Give me a email at info@dolanhomes.com. That's the first way to reach me, so I can give you our very extensive informational email and give you the whole process and the step-by-step how to get even pre-qualified to even see a house. Because, I don't want to waste people's time if they can't really afford it.
Yep.
And I think there's a stigma. People assume that we're cheap, and we're not.
There's a difference between cheap and a difference between cost effective.
Yes.
And being able to have your own home and not lose all your money at your bank account.
We don't want people to have a mortgage. It's the noose around their neck. We want them to live
Exactly. You want them to
easily,
live.
simply,
You want
so
them to
that they can just live and enjoy life and travel and eat out and whatever. So that's our mission. We've really come to realize that a very quality, innovative home, which is the manufactured homes we're building, can still be affordable, but not use the word affordable because people will think it's like government charity, and we're not doing that. We're offering houses, 1 bedroom like 52,000, and 2 bedroom some 78 to 80,000, and even a little bit higher. I think we're about to build 100,007. What? How do you say that?
107,000.
Yes. For a couple, and it's like a 2-bedroom multi-section. So we're really providing some really amazing things for people. Downsizers, upsizers.
Creating a lot of options. People usually don't have that.
Yeah. And the closings are simple. It's a purchase agreement, no closing costs, no realtors, no attorneys.
And it's yours.
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. All right. Thanks again for stopping in, and we'll keep you posted.
Yep.
Developments on this house as we continue to develop every week.
Sounds good.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.